Hi guys, today we are doing Sticker Shop CTF on TryHackMe. So it says we just have a URL with the flag on this IP address. So let's just copy this and put this in our URL. We get unauthorized, and if we go to our page source, we just get nothing. So what we can do is have another look at the page. So we see we have a cat sticker shop with nothing here and not much on the page source except from submit feedback. So what you'd want to do for this CTF, you want to do some cross-site scripting, as I tried to use a reverse shell and it would not work. So the preferred way is to use cross-site scripting. So this is submitting it to a form to the back end of the server, so this will be stored cross-site scripting. So what you'd want to do is just go to chatgpt and tell it to create a script on a server on localhost for this IP address and the flag.txt and send it to your machine. So what you'd want to do is you want to do it with get request, because I tried to use a different method and it would not work. So just copy this, just go to ChatGPT and just tell it to create you a script for it, and I'll put this script in the description if you want to use it yourself. So first thing you want to do is go back to the server. We want to paste this in the IP, and you want to change this to your IP address. So this will be your OpenVPN IP address, and I'm going to be using a Python server on port 8000. So what you're going to do is put your IP address. For me it's this, for you it'll probably be different. So let's create a Python server, python3-m.http server, and let's press submit. And we have a flag. So let's copy this flag. And if you look at the script again, it says it's you encoded URL. So we'll need to go to CyberChef, which you can just Google, and just paste this input and it will decode the URL from the side here, URL decode. And we have the flag here, so let's just paste it in. And that's just the room pretty much done. It's very simple and very easy. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps me so much. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them. And I'll put the cross-site scripting code in the description as well, if you want to use that for yourself.